Appearance and hair. General appearance. Medium height, tall, short, beautiful, handsome, young, middle-aged, old, pores, freckles, wrinkles, dimples, mole. Hair. To style your hair, to wash your hair, to have or get your hair cut, to tie your hair back, to grow your hair, to shave, long hair, short hair, shoulder length hair, side parting, center parting, moustache, goatee, beard, shaved head, stubble, sideburns, facial hair, crew cut, bald, straight hair, wavy hair, curly hair, frizzy hair, ponytail, plait, pigtails, bob, crop, wig, French plait, bun, highlights, afro, braids, cornrows, normal hair, greasy hair, dry hair, dandruff, hair gel, hairspray, black hair, brown hair, blonde hair, red hair, auburn hair, grey hair, straightening iron, hair straightener, curling iron, hair curler, hairbrush, comb, hair shears, hair scissors, hair dryer.